Split 2x squared minus x minus 25 divided by x plus 2, x minus 3 into partial fractions. Okay, with this type we have a slight problem because this is what's known as an improper algebraic fraction. Now the reason being, if you take the numerator and then if you expand the denominator you get x squared minus x minus 6. Here you have the same power of x, so it's considered to be an improper algebraic fraction, so you have to divide first. So using polynomial division, we've got here 2x squared divided by x, which gives an answer 2. So make sure you put the answer here 2. Then you multiply 2 times x squared gives me 2x squared. 2 times minus x gives you minus 2x. 2 times minus 6 gives me minus 12. Do a subtraction. Minus x minus 2x gives me x. Minus 25 minus 12 gives me minus 13. So we now have that our partial fraction becomes 2 plus the remainder over the divisor, which is x squared minus x minus 6. And we write that as 2x minus 13 over x plus 2 x minus. This now needs to be split into partial fractions. So this here needs to be split into partial fractions. So taking x minus 13 divided by x plus 2 x minus 3, this is equivalent of a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 3. So this now becomes equal to, put this over a common denominator, therefore we have a x minus 3 plus b x plus 2. Because we now have the same denominator, we can now say that x minus 13 is equivalent to a times x minus 3 plus b x plus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. So put x is equal to minus 2 on this side, you're going to get minus 2 minus 13, which is minus 15. Here nothing, and you're going to get minus 2 minus 3, which gives you minus 5a. So we're going to get that a is equal to equivalent to 3. Put x is equal to 3. You're going to get that minus 10. 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Here you get nothing, and here you're going to get 5. So b is equal to minus 2. So taking this, it's going to be equivalent to this and this, where a is 3 and b is minus 2. So we'll put the minus sign here and the 2 here. Now we have to put it all together back to with the original partial fraction. So writing out in full, we have 2x squared minus x over minus 25 divided by x plus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 over x plus 2 minus 2 over x minus 3. So this has been a video to show you how to deal with an improper fraction and how two different linear factors to split it into partial fractions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.